In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a catch submission form to allow your anglers to submit catches online to your tournament. So we're going to start on the tournament setup page. I'm going to click the plus icon next to tournament pages. I'm going to call this new page Submit a Catch. And we're going to choose the template registration, which is pretty similar to what we need. I'm going to turn the icon color red so I can identify this page a little bit faster when I create it. And you'll see it here, Submit a Catch now. I'm going to go ahead and click that red icon, and the registration template kind of auto-filled in a lot of stuff, but we're going to delete some things. So I'm going to delete this simple text here. You can keep it if you wanted to. Definitely delete this team registration form since you won't need that. I'm going to turn the title here from registration. I'm going to call this Submit a Catch, and I'm going to click the Add New Component. I'm going to find the Catch Submission Form under the Forms tab. I'm going to click Catch Submission Form, and I'll keep everything else the same. I'm going to click Add Component. In these settings, the most important here is to make sure it's connected to your tournament. So I'm going to choose my tournament, 31st Annual Fishing Tournament. Another option here you have is profile selection, so you decide if teams are going to be submitting through here or individual anglers from those teams. I'm going to choose the individual anglers. If you choose teams, you got to turn on your team only scoring in your main tournament settings. I'm going to set the default catch row to 1. So I've got one row is going to show up, but then I'm going to allow them to submit up to 5 catches per submission. I'm going to only allow them to submit releases here. And on the notification tab, I could put my email address to receive a notification every time they submit a catch. I'll get an email. Here's a thank you message also that you can update if you want to kind of decide what they see afterwards. And on the Form Fields tab, I'm going to make sure that the catch photo is selected. If I uncheck this box, they could submit without submitting a catch photo, but I do want them to submit a catch photo here. I'm going to go ahead and hit Save Changes. And just like that, my submission form, I'm going to click View on Website here so I can take a look at what it looks like. I can submit a catch through this registration form, so I choose my profile, and then I click Add My Catches. And that's how you do it.